Good morning, good night. We have some business words today. Let's talk about if we have a business and we don't want to go alone. We don't want just us. We want to join other businesses and be friends with other businesses in our industry. So, we could join an association. An association. An association is a group, a club of businesses that get together and talk about marketing, talk about management, talk about machines and tools, they talk about business strategy, and sometimes they work together to put out magazines and different publications and internet communications to the customer so that the customer can learn about all of the companies in one place, and that is called an association. An association. You can also join what's called a trade group. A trade group. A trade group is the same thing as an association, but bigger and more formal. So, you can have a trade group for the steel industry, for example. The steel industry has a trade group, and the trade group would lobby the government. Lobbying the government means giving the government money so that the government gives you better treatment, better tax situation, better laws and restrictions on competition. That would be joining a trade group. And there are many trade groups. There's like drug company trade groups, there's like oil industry trade groups, manufacturing trade groups, service trade groups, restaurant trade groups. There's all different trade groups, and each trade group has lobbyists that pay the government for better treatment, and that's kind of like bribery, really. So you got associations and trade groups, but what about quality and processes? Like, what if you want to say, hey, our manufacturing plant, our shop, has very high quality manufacturing? Well, you can get a certification from ISO. ISO, International Standards Association. So the International Standards Association is a group, an association, that makes sure that factories have the right machines, they have the right training, they have accuracy and quality control. And you've seen maybe ISO 9000. That is a type of ISO standard. So your factory can join the ISO, and the ISO will say, hey, you are certified, and you can put that on your advertising, and you can put that on your business cards and your internet website, etc. So, if our business wants to join other businesses in marketing and management, we can join a trade group. And a trade group lobbies the government for money. And an association is a more informal and smaller version of a trade group, and it helps you with marketing, management, and production. You can also get a ISO certification, which is the International Standards Association. And ISO certification can show our customers that we have a high quality manufacturing process.